Now, what the heck do we have here? Ah, the A300. The Airbus A300 is a pretty cool jet. It's the very first twin-engine wide-body jet ever made. Air France being the launch customer. Started in 1971 and they had a production run until 2007. That's pretty impressive. 561 units of these were built. Now check out the fuselage skin there. Does that look kind of weird? Well, don't worry, it's perfectly normal. Until it becomes a problem, of course. Now, this is called skin buckling. Okay, skin buckling is a phenomenon that is caused by mechanical stress or the action of compression and tension. In other words, expansion and contraction due to pressure cycles on the aircraft. So what that tells me about this particular plane is that it's used a lot domestically. It takes off and lands a lot. So high cycle is what we see in the skin here. Now, this particular airplane, 134, had an incident in July of 2018 where that left-hand engine there caught fire right at takeoff, and they had to use both of the fire bottles to extinguish the fire, which they ultimately did. And record time, these guys got that plane there back onto that runway there in 8 minutes after liftoff. That is impressive, my friends. Because let me tell you something, the one thing you haven't got when you're on fire in an aircraft is time to